Everyone, welcome back on this channel. Guys, I'm Ramkesh Singh, Unity game developer, YouTuber and blogger. We have done so many tutorials on Unity Addressable. The first part on the Photon have been done. That was the case that if you have created one room and every player have joined that room, and then we are just loading another scene. So that was one scenario, and in today's tutorial we are going to discuss about case 2. If you are new on the channel, make sure to subscribe the channel. If you want to ask anything, so just join the Discord or just drop me a comment. So let's start the today video, and there are so many stuff that is related to previous tutorial, so you have to know that how you can load the addressable scene. Okay, so I'll just lost this sketch. So in this, so I'm just sharing from this video. So basically case 2 is that let's suppose you just arrive in one scene. So basically when you create addressable, so there will be a scene like this is scene 1, scene 2. So there must be some scene locally in your Unity build, and some other scene should be on your addressable thing. So let's suppose you want to go from S1 to S2. So the scenario is that if you have created one room, like suppose you want to go in this scene, first you need to, this is the S1 and this scene is S2, and let's suppose P1 player is coming in S2 scene. So what will happen, there will be one room created and then P1 will be joined. When P2 will come, P2 want to go in S2, but the scenario is that if room is already created, so P2 will join with P1. If there will be no any room, so P2 will create his room. Basically all the player is not coming at a one time, but player is coming in the S2, means S2 scene one by one. And the scenario is that in S2 scene you can create multiple rooms like room 1, room 2, room 3, and there must be some limitation like room 1 maximum player limit is 5, room 2 maximum player limit is 10. So if player have joined that number, so room 2 will created. If room 2 have been filled, so room 3 will be created. So in this scenario player is coming one by one. So if you want to implement the addressable thing, so first thing what you have to do is just, if you are in the P1 and you are in already or in a room, so what you have to do is just you have to load this S2 scene, and then you have to just leave a room that is created in S1, and when you will leave that S1 room from the S2, so your master client will be called, and on the basis of that you can create your new room, or if there is already created a room, so you have to just only join that room. So basically you have to use unity dot load scene. So basically simple addressable scene loading method will work. After that you have to perform all the room creation, room join thing in the S2 scene. So this is the basic concept. If you are not able to understand, so you have to watch this video again. The concept is very simple. The normal concept is that you should leave room in S1, but you're not leaving room in S1. We just load the S2 scene, and after loading the S2 scene we are just leaving the S1 scene room. So this thing is helping to implement addressable with Photon in this scenario, because Photon does not support addressable directly, so you have to play a trick. So that's thing I explained with you. So you have to hit and try, and that will definitely work because I have implemented that thing in my project. So that's it, and thanks for watching. Have a good day. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment box, but this is the concept I have applied, so it will work anywhere. Bye bye, take care, see you in next video.